All right, hey all, this is the Insta360 Mic Air with the receiver. Just got this recently. I'm actually using it right now to do this voiceover here. Figure, what the heck, why would I settle for some subpar audio quality? So really great product. You actually have a couple options with this one. You can get the version I have right here with the receiver, the one with just the microphone, and for about $110, you can get a receiver with 2 microphones. So if you want to do an interview, great option. I see over here a nice little travel case that will pack in all of the accessories and necessary pieces. You'll see me struggle here a little bit trying to get the receiver out of there. It is packed in quite snugly. There's the actual microphone now in my hand, roughly around the size of a quarter. Probably don't need to pack this in there as tight as they do. Each time I kind of just rest it in there now. Just afraid I was going to snap off the USB-C cable. But there you go. You can plug that right into your iPhone or Android. Nice little magnetic clip that can go on your shirt, probably the side of your hat. Just depends on how thick it is. And as far as the other accessories, you will get a nice little dead cat there that helps out with the wind noise. And a proprietary cable, not a huge fan of it given that it's USB-A and it's proprietary, but it's still really nice nonetheless. And then a magnetic lanyard you could wear around your neck. Overall, awesome product. I think the quality is fantastic. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think.